you are aware, there is a race to certification opportunity which is provided by Oracle. That's from 1st July to 31st July. Initially, you can take up two certification, which is free of cost, which is otherwise charged about in INR terms, that is Indian rupees, it's about 20,000 odd. So this is free of cost, but in a way, if you want to go through the opportunity wise, they also, if you make an attempt and if you pass the exams, then they provide an additional voucher as well. So this you can um, go through this one, that is begin your race to certification, go through the details. So having said that, my point is that in the last one, I spoke about what is the approach if you're a new learner and if you want to get certified in the cloud infrastructure, the approach to take. So I spoke about the Oracle cloud infrastructure, how to go about certification, what is the approach you could take. That is starting from OCI foundation and then get into the OCI architect. And as I said, one of the important point is that since 2023, in OCI Foundation as well as in OCI Architect, they have removed the database part, the Oracle database as such. Because Oracle is uniquely known and identified because being a database company, it is in this foundation, OCI Foundation, everybody would expect the database part to be there, or in OCI Architect as well. But they have made it as a separate pillar, so it is covered under the data part. So if you're if you're what would I say, if you're more inclined to learn the database part, then probably yes. If you're not interested in the virtual machines, networks and all, then probably you get into this pillar, the data pillar. And this data platform, if you look at the data platform, it gives you all the details about the database offering. On the right side over here, you see the topics of coverage, the autonomous JSON database, graph database, spatial database. This is for the dedicated missions, and this is on the autonomous database. Um, so this is the autonomous database. Then data lake, data warehouse, machine learning. It gives a high level overview. Then, of course, the Oracle Apex part. So the data platform gives high level overview about the database as such, the autonomous database. So if you want, this is an overview, but so that's where it doesn't really require a kind of a hands-on. It's more of a understanding the definitions and concepts. So you can take this certification. Of course, a little bit of practice will guide you through the certification. So you can always go for the free tier, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure free tier offering, which do have autonomous database to provision the autonomous database as well. So you can provision the autonomous database. You can learn about the Oracle Apex, the machine learning as well. And then after post this certification, yes, you can take up the autonomous. And one point again I want to stress here is that this certification, database foundation, anything related to foundation, if there is a certification, that is always provided at free of cost, irrespective of the time. So anytime, even after the October 31st, also it's going to be free of cost. Autonomous database professional is it is included. Currently, it is provided as free. That is from July 1st to October 31st, and after that, there is a associated cost with it. So if you have completed this one, I would recommend to take up the Oracle data platform first. Have an understanding. Just practice on the creation provisioning of the database, different database services, autonomous database, JSON database, Oracle Apex. So get an idea of that, and then get certified and move on to the autonomous database part. And there you need to spend some time, work through the Oracle infrastructure platform, where you can provision the database and work through it, and then attempt the certification. And also, if you are interested in development activity, then yes, you have Oracle Apex also. So yes, if you are already aware of the features in the database, then yes, you can get into the Apex developer professional. And if you have worked on Apex, then yes, you could take the professional certification. Otherwise, the way to go is the data platform first, associate foundation associate first, complete it, then the database professional, and then Oracle Apex. The alternative route is after taking one, that is platform foundation associate and the database professional, then you can even get into the AA part, AA foundation and AA vector search. And vector search is based on the 23 AI, that is the new database. So you can how use the database in the vector data type is used. So you can even get into the latest Oracle database, um, and use the Oracle and get to learn about the Oracle 23 AI part as well. That is provided in the Oracle AI Vector Search. And again, this certification Vector AI Search is also free from July 1st to October 31st. So I would strongly recommend, yes, data platform, and then get into the Oracle, which goes in depth after the data platform, get into the Oracle Autonomous Database, and then you could take a diversion, get into the Oracle Apex Developer Certification, or if you're already into aware of the autonomous database, then probably yes, you can get into the directly into the Apex Oracle Apex Developer. At this stage, the alternative approach is that you can get into the AA part, take up the Oracle AA Foundation, and then the Oracle A vector, which a vector search, which is more related to how the recent offering in Oracle database, that is 23 AI, supports the vector part, the vector database type, and how you can build it with using the vector data type. So this gives you an idea as the approach to take up as far as the data pillar is concerned and the AI pillar as such. I hope you found this useful. If you have any queries, just put it in the comments. Thanks and cheers.